everybody, it's Sharon with LNA Little Flowers. Yay! Well, I'm here to do another soap making video / tutorial. In here I have 8 oils. Yes, 8 oils. They are, let's see if I can remember all of them. See how well my brain is functioning today. Olive oil, palm oil, coconut oil, babasu oil, argan oil, mango butter, castor oil, and almond oil. So extra sweet. Okay, today's scent, we're doing Yummy Gummy by Nature's Garden. It's like a fruity scent, and it's very delicious and very kid friendly. So I'm excited for this design, for the colors. I'm doing it like a 70s inspired theme here. So okay, so here, prepared oils all melted down, and then I have in here, I have my lye solution, which is lye and distilled water. Don't use tap water because there are impurities in the tap water that could attach to your oils and make it yucky. Okay. Glug, glug, one giant glug. Okay. Clean this up. I'm videotaping by myself today because everybody's out busy doing things. So I'm in the house by myself and I'm like, ooh, soap making. Okay, so hope y'all can see this. Oils. Okay. And now I stick blend. Nice soap batter. And I want this kind of runny because I don't know how this scent's going to behave. So I want it just blended. Okay. Put that like that. Okay. So, yep, nice, just light trace. Okay. All right. Okay. We'll scrape this container out. I don't want to leave any soap behind. No soap shall be left behind. Okay, so now I'm going to put in the mica powders that I'm using today are from Jewel Scent. This one is lemon zest. Now these, I have to use a little more of the mica powder, but it still turns out fabulous. These mica powders I got off of Amazon, so feel free to look up mica powders. Okay, and then orange, definitely a 70s favorite, I think, right? Okay. And red. And this one's called True Red. The orange was called Saffron Orange. And then this purple is Plum Crazy. Plum Plumb it up. Okay. All right, now I will stick blend each little that looks good. That looks good. That looks groovy. Alrighty, folks. I'm gonna take this off. Okay. Okay, so far, so good. All right, we will add scents now. Okay. Yes, this is a lovely scent. So far it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Nice and runny. Looks like a little bit of ricing. So I think I'm gonna have to stick blend the little rice, but it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. All right, so. So far, no thickening up. Just a tad bit of ricing so far, so I can handle that. Get my little rag over here. Ooh, another one. Oops, ah, holy crap. Okay, I'm trying to be better, so. Okay, here is my thing. Here is my mold. We're just going to do a drop swirl. You know, swirls, you know, groovy. Okay. Not sure which one I start first. Ooh, let's go purple. So you can see all that. Wow. Okay. And contrasting orange. Let's do yellow. Oh yeah, great. Okay, and do another run of purple. And orange. And yellow and red. A little more purple. Okay. This looks like a fabulous bar of soap. Nice and tie-dyed, I think. Yeah. Okay. So, I'm going to wait for these colors to thicken up a little bit, and then I'm going to put some dollops on here. Will I have enough for a full pyramid? I don't know. But we'll start with 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll be back when this thickens up. I have the silk frosting, and it's kind of like I put all the colors in here, and it's kind of like a tie-dye or something. So I may call this one 70s tie-dye. Okay, let's do this. Okie dokie. I think this looks good. Love it. But sparkle from, it's a Mad Mica Fairy Duster, Sparkle Plenty. So, okay, so now I have these cute little gummy bears that I'm going to put on top, and the colors that I used. So, kind of hard in gloves. May only end up putting 3. Yeah. So I think the third one I'll stick on top. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Alright. Let's do red on that one. Yellow. Yellow. Almost done. Okay. Should I give a light dusting to bed? Okie dokie. Here it is. Here is, I'm going to call probably 70s gummy tie-dye or something. Okay. We will come back in 18 to 24 hours and cut this and see what it looks like. I'm so excited. Yay. Okay, later. Pretty shot, if you can see. All right, 18 to 24 hours later. Hey everybody, we're back. I'm going to cut this. I have to line it up a little bit differently to get even bars. So let's cut this puppy and see what it looks like. So excited. Holy crap. Holy crap. Okay. This turned out so good. I see the red, the purple, the yellow, orange, really good, and it smells great. No. Oh wow, even more of the yellow. You can see it coming through up here too. Definitely 70s inspired. And that's my washing machine in the background. Yep. Woohoo! I feel like playing some disco music. I don't know. Bee Gees Staying Alive. I love that song. Okay. Alright, and I will cut this one a little later. But if you like this video, you like this soap, give me a thumbs up, you know, smash that like button, click it, whatever you want to do to it. Hit that subscribe button, and so you can be notified when I make new videos. Yeah. And don't forget to check out my Etsy shop, L&A Little Flowers, because I have more soaps available, and hair flowers and mini photo albums, or just photo albums. So yeah. And as always, thank you so much for watching. It means a lot. And don't forget to leave a nice comment. You know, I like reading those too. And always happy crafting. Later.